how to log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you open it up, simply search for Amazon A to Z employee login. After you search for that, you will see this site open up. Simply head over to this website, and right here now you can log in using your Amazon alias. And yeah, there is also a warning saying this isn't your Amazon shopping account. So now all you need to do is hit your Amazon's alias. And before I teach you guys what to do next, if you're new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. After you've typed in your alias, tap on login, and after doing that, you will need to type in your password. Type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it right here. After you type in your password, tap on login and you'll get logged into your Amazon A to Z employee account. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.